Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. This Premier is featured in a black paint finish. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with our 6-speed automatic transmission as well as all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on maple sugar finished leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the rear of the vehicle as well as heated and cooled seats in the front. Both front seats have powered options. We also have our lane keep assist with our departure warning as well as forward collision alert, powered moonroof as well as GPS navigation and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Outside the vehicle we have our alloy wheels, a surround view camera system, as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of our Equinox, we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Bottom of the door, we have our driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings and our mirror memory. Powered liftgate functions with max 3/4 and off. Then we have some storage as well as our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, including our fog lamps. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have power settings with power adjustable lumbar. Seat itself is finished in our jet black and maple sugar leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system that can show all of our audio, our navigation, as well as phone settings. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings with forward collision alert and gap control, heated steering wheel, and our lane keep assist. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, controls for that driver information system. Behind on either side, we have audio controls. Push-to-start ignition is on the right-hand side. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we have our AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, phone connection, GPS navigation, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, users so we can have different customization for different drivers, settings, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto. Moving to the second page, we can swipe across. We have apps, My Chevrolet, Sirius XM, OnStar, and then our surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines. Below it, we have home, seek, our volume and mute, as well as back. And we have a auto stop start, as well as our hazard lights. Dual zone front climate with front and rear defrost, individual climate settings, or our sync mode. You can also adjust that through the screen. On either side, we have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, and each one has 3 settings. Moving below it, we have our SD slot for our navigation, USB-C, USB-A, an aux, and a flip-open 12-volt plug. All of that is above our wireless charging pad. Then in front of our shifter, we have our all-wheel drive switch, and then our front and rear park assist, as well as parallel park assist. Leather finish shifter in our jet black with our electronic parking brake below. 2 cup holders with storage and more storage in front of our center console. Also see our key fob here. We have locks and unlocks at the top, remote start, our powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Moving into the center console, we have a coin tray, some deep storage, and 2 USB-As on the front. Passenger seat also finished in that maple sugar and jet black leather, heated, vented, as well as powered for our passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror at the front, we have our OnStar settings, dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls across the front, powered sunroof, as well as our powered sunshade, universal garage door opener with 3 settings, a sunglass holder. Then lastly, we have our dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, on the hood we have a paint protection film. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black and silver alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and all-season tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with integrated turn signal and a blind spot monitor. Equinox badging in chrome, as well as chrome accented paint match our door handles and our chrome and paint match roof rack. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have our black bow tie, Equinox all-wheel drive, and Premier all in chrome. Opening up the back, we have our powered liftgate, and we can just simply press underneath. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have our front floor mat, so you can see we have all weather. Also have all weather throughout the rest of the vehicle, and storage and a full-size tire underneath if we lift up. Then on either side, we have a bit of storage space. Folding second row seats in a 60/40 folding format, as well as our 12-volt plug power in the back of the vehicle. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have power release as well as our manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of our vehicle, we have our powered or chrome finished door handle, powered window control, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom. Inside, we have a storage pocket in the front of the driver and passenger seat. 2 vents for the rear of the vehicle, heated outboard seats with our 2 different options and 3 settings for both. Then we have our 2 USB-As as well as a 120-volt plug. All weather mats are featured throughout the vehicle. Second row seats is a 60/40 folding split finished in our jet black and maple sugar leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders. You can see we have removable inserts that are throughout the vehicle for easy clean. To fold the seats, we have our release on the right-hand side. All-weather mat folds with the seat, and that's throughout the vehicle. Then lastly, on the roof, we have our dual-panel sunroof ranging from front to back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.